So that's what we had installed today. It's called the transfer switch. Going from there into all this gobbledygook. Pretty much. What you can do with it, I don't know. It's basically it's making all my outlets, all my 110 outlets right here. This one works. It's making them all work off of my 400 watts of solar. Okay, I'm kind of roped down. We've got 65-mile-an-hour winds coming like in a hot minute. Probably tonight, tomorrow morning. Yeah, there's someone to fly away. So yeah, transfer switch is what you need to kind of make all your outlets work. You know, 2005 trailer. Yeah, this guy, he worked pretty hard today. Yeah, Scott, give him kudos. But yeah, I got all this, he firmed up everything here. 2000 watt Renogy inverter. We got the Rover controller with the EO code, which means it's functioning normally. I have no idea what's going on with it, but oh Lord. Yeah, pretty much put a ground in for me, fastened it to the wall, and we got this plug right here. Yeah, that plug's going in hardwired or wired up. And we got the 4-arc wire going over here. And it goes into the transfer switch area. Yeah, you guys want to hear it? That's what I thought for you. Basically, here's the on-off button. Takes it a minute, but listen. I don't hear a thud yet. Huh. There was like a big thud. It might take a little bit more. But he said we turned off the controller for the trailer. Oh, there it is. Did you hear that? It's like, yeah, that was it. But we turned off the one fuse switch right there for the controller. I'm not an electrician, just to let you know. I mean, hire professionals. That's what I did. But yeah, pretty much. Yeah, turn off that controller. 15, whatever. But yeah, things are coming on. So yeah, I'll shut it off. Oh, there it goes. Thud. Did you hear that? Thud. Yeah, it means it's working, I guess. This transfer switch. It's 2025 March. But yeah, it works. I'm getting solar on all my outlets. Actually, I even used a microwave today. I was a little afraid to, but yeah, off the solar, it worked. Yeah, transfer switch and all this other good stuff. That little error code kind of bothers me, but no, he kind of looked up the code and says it's like normal, so EO. No idea. Yeah, good luck calling Renogy. Just horrible customer service, but I won't go there. Yeah. Not a sponsor of these products, so that you know. Renogy or Battleborn, but I highly recommend Battleborn batteries. Lithium. $998 out the door. Might be a little bit more expensive now. But pretty much everything's going. Oh my gosh, look at all this stuff. Oh, poor battery. Yeah, we got everything going on the positive and everything going on the negative. And all kinds of things happening here. He actually firmed up this area, which that was great. That was just, these things over here were all loose. So, yeah, from another mobile RV guy. Yeah, there's the mouse hole. Man, look at all that stuff. My gosh. You think we could have made the hole a little bigger? I might have to with my jigsaw. But yeah, that's kind of it. You get the controller, Renogy, not a sponsor again. You got the Renogy 2000 watt. If I get this thing off, it's going to scratch the paint. Solar panel stuff. You got the positive wire, negative wire going into the mouse hole for the battery. I can shut this off. I won't do it right now, but you can shut this off for no solar, because sometimes you have to change out a battery or whatever. It's not good for this rover to just be accepting solar only power without the battery power. But yeah, pretty happy. So far so good, man. So this is device right there. A transfer switch. So it's got it all wired up to the fuse box over here. But again, I'm not an electrician. I'm not an electrician. So yeah. Yeah, you guys gotta do that yourself, you know, or find somebody. But that's what we had installed today. Pretty happy with it. Yep. Put this back in place. Oh, Lord. There we go. Carpeted wall, whatever. Yeah, let's go check out the storm, man. It's gonna happen tonight or tomorrow morning. I mean, tomorrow, this whole street will be white, and the trees will be white. I got some storm coming in. Pretty exciting. There's the mountain lines down here. Of course, I don't have my knife. And this tarp's still kind of bugging up a little bit. I don't know, I give them a heads up, but I don't think they're too concerned about it. Nothing down here except for termites. Not on that tree down there. All mountain lions in their bed. So far we're safe. Oh, yeah, let's go over here and check this view out. Why not? Just before the storm. Yeah, they said 65-mile-an-hour winds in our area. We shall see. Let's check my 6, man. I don't see nothing. Feels like something's watching me though. Yeah. Oh, there's the burn pile. There's wood that needs to be burned. Fire hose. Let's see any critters down here. Got some flies are buzzing. Some deer earlier. That's kind of cool. I was talking to him. This is kind of it. There's the old junk pile. It's the old garbage bins, I guess. A calm, cool breeze so far. Maybe 10-15 miles an hour. I couldn't imagine 65 miles an hour. That is going to be crazy. Yeah, we're going to have some trees that are going to come down. I wonder if that one will come down. That old rotted out tree. Deco tree. That'll definitely make a big old thud. So yeah, that's kind of it, man. Got my solar going. Pretty happy with it. Got a little stockpile of junk over here. Flies are just going nuts. Yeah, this is all stuff that needs to be burned. Eventually. That's my $1 million view. Not too bad for buying our site for $5,000. Just right across the road. Yeah. Pretty nice. Man, I'm waiting to see that darn bobcat again. He came through. See that trailer right there? It's called a cougar. Fitting, right? Came right down here. He walked over here. Headed right down the hill. Kind of freaked him out. I was talking to him. Or her. It's probably him. The muscles on it was pretty pronounced. Just the birdies. All right. You guys have a good day and a better tomorrow. I'll talk to you later.